In 2002, the Eclipse 500 introduced a radically new category called the Very Light Jet. The twin turbofan jet nicely combines reliability, fuel efficiency, and simplicity in a sleek and stylish casing. Although classified as a light jet, the Eclipse 500 can accommodate up to 6 seats, making it just right for individuals or small company ownership. The body of the Eclipse 500 is just as important to its competitive advantage as its performance. Having a small all-aluminum frame, the aircraft is considerably lighter than most, giving it an advantage in fuel efficiency. Although raising the 500's list price to $1.2 million, Eclipse decided to use 2 Pratt & Whitney Canada engines in its design. Each engine boasts 900 pounds of thrust. These engines employ a full authority digital electrical control system, making them extremely efficient and simple in flight. After finding the ideal engine model, Eclipse announced that the 500 would be out in 2006. The Eclipse 500 has a lot to offer in terms of performance. Having a maximum cruise speed of 370 knots true airspeed and the ability to fly at an altitude of 41,000 feet, the 500 is highly competitive with other very light jets such as the Citation Mustang and the Phenom 100. The Eclipse 500 is capable of 0.64 Mach speed. The 500's interior is stylish. The interior measurements are 7.5 feet in length, 4.2 feet in height, 4.7 feet in width. Standard seats feature leather outboard armrests, forward-aft adjustment, 85-degree fold-over function, 28-degree recline, and seatback pockets. All leather seats and stowable inboard armrests come in the LX edition. A work dining table and cup holder come standard, and the LX edition comes with 3. Also, the cabin has all LED upper lighting. The Eclipse 500 was a revolutionary very light jet, offering competitive performance, an innovative avionics system, and a sleek and comfortable design. The Eclipse 500 was a great buy for smaller-scale private jet users.